Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the error 173. The AMD software installer cannot proceed as no AMD graphic hardware has been detected in your system. So this is the possible cause. The AMD software installer has detected that current system does not contain AMD graphic hardware, and the installer terminated the installation process. So here the solution: make sure your AMD graphic product is correctly installed and recognized by the operating system. You can check on device manager. So here you can click device manager. So if your display adapter or processor maybe, or here what I mean, check with device manager for possible conflict. So here, if there is a yellow bang icon, so it means indicates there's a problem with your hardware. So for troubleshooting tips, refer to Microsoft article error code in device manager in Windows. Then rerun the AMD software installer once your AMD graphic product has been successfully detected by Windows. So maybe you both use a graphic card, like a mining graphic card. You cannot use the AMD driver from the official website. You have to search by yourself. There are ton of sources that provide you a mining driver, driver for mining GPU. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.